So I got a macaroon candle making kit. So what? I'm wearing not one, not two, not three, but 4 of these clips today because I'm 10. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're making macaroon candles. So here's the deal. I know candles are actually really hard to make. Like real candles, like you gotta get all the temperatures right. There's a lot of steps that you have to follow. There are professionals who make candles. That's me. I'm the professional. This kit smells really, really strongly of strawberries. Woo! Are you sure they didn't just mistake this scent for like cough syrup? If I'm pronouncing macaroon or macaron incorrectly during this video, I'm sorry, I'm not French. Anyway, so I have an obsession with eating macaroons, but I have never made macaroons. I've also never made candles before. Oh, look what it says over here. It says making your own candles is a fun activity for adults and for children. There you go. Adults. I'm going to take my time, do it correctly. I really want these to turn out really nice. And if they turn out horrible, they'll just go where all my other rejected DIY projects go. That's right, in my bathroom. Okay, so there's this silicone mold. We can only do like 1 macaroon at a time. I don't know how long they're gonna take to dry, but I've watched a couple of videos of some people doing this. It tells me to heat 100 grams of wax. But I feel like 1 macaroon is not going to be 100 grams. Or is it? Is it going to be 100 grams? I don't know. Like there's 6 candle wicks, which means that I should be able to make 6 macaroons out of this whole wax thing. I also don't want to get wax everywhere. So maybe I should have thought about that. And once again, I don't have all my supplies. So bibbidi bobbidi boo. All right, we're back. So this is soy wax. It melts, I think at a lower temperature. Okay, everything I say in this video, I'm not a candle making expert, so don't take any advice from me. Go to like a candle making expert person. But I think that soy wax melts at a lower temperature. So like it's easier to melt and like easier to work with. Oh, I didn't grab a scissor. Of course I didn't. I'm like ready to just have wax everywhere. In my hair, my face, my scissors, my bowls. Okay, I'm definitely not melting 100 grams. That just seems like way too much. I'm just gonna do like 75. And even that seems like a lot. Sorry if you hear my microwave. Oh, so it tells me to melt the dye in a separate bowl. I don't have 500 bowls. This pinkish color and it gives me this blue. But I think I'm just gonna do purple macaroons because like, if you're new to this channel, hi. Purple. Oh, let me tell y'all how I got scammed. And if y'all think this is something that you shouldn't be thinking it is, it's not, okay? It's a bubble blower. I bought this for $1. $1? I thought it would make a lot of bubbles for my money's worth. And when I first tried it, it didn't work. Like the water wasn't soapy enough, it was just water. So I was in my bathroom calling my mom, trying to blow bubbles and telling her that it wasn't working. And she's like, what do you mean it's not working? Just add some dish liquid to it. And I'm like, but if I add dish liquid to it, it's going to increase the price. And then she's like, why did I give birth to this child? But yeah, I added dishwashing liquid to it and now it works. So you a scam. Whoever makes this is a scammer. All right, anyway, my wax is melted. All right, so here's the problem with hot wax. It's hot. All right, so the wax looks like oil consistency. I'm gonna melt like about half of this pinkish reddish with like 1/4 of this. We'll see what color that gives us. So as I age 5 minutes waiting for this wax to melt, how's everyone doing? How's this new year been? Okay, my purple is looking a little bit too red, so I will be adding like way more blue to it. The only thing I've been mixing is like paints, and I guess mixing paint is a lot different than mixing wax. Bonk. Back in the microwave you go. If I knew that that melting wax is going to take me the whole dang day. I would have started it way earlier. Okay, so like I still hate the color, so maybe I'll just add like a shit ton of glue to it and then pray. But like I wanted to make other colors. Oh, I guess I'll have to make like pink and purple. Oh well. Alright, so we're back. I have all the wax melted with the color that, I don't know, hopefully is going to turn out some sort of like purple. Okay, I give up. I don't know. I hope it's going to turn like some sort of purple color. Oh, I forgot to put the strawberry scent. I'm going to put a little bit of the strawberry scent right in it. I think I might try to put these in the fridge just so they can cool faster. And I'll be back when they are cooled and pour another one and another one and another one, because I feel like we have a lot of macaroons to make. So these are my macaroon tops and bottoms. So I've got one white one, pink-ish, and then a purplish one, and then I decided to switch the tops of these ones because I think they look cute. I've got my extra wax over here for the filling part. Yeah, so while that was happening, I also made a pasta bake. So excuse me while I eat. So yeah, it's got spinach, ham, mushrooms, and cheese. Yum! Okay, cool, that was really good. Okay, so now I've got to heat up this wax and make it into a kind of paste as it cools down. And as it cools down, I need to put it in the middle of these macaroons and squish the top on top. If you don't work quickly enough, the paste can cool too much, and then it'll be really hard to spread. And if you let it be too hot or too oily, then it's gonna melt the candles that you already have. Yeah, let's try and do this, I guess. Ta-da! I start a fire alarm. Okay. Wick cutting time. I mean, have you ever seen anything more cute in your life? They kind of look a little bit like ice cream sandwiches. So I really like how they turned out. I thought the purple was gonna come out looking a bit more purple than it actually did. I thought the white one would look a lot whiter, but I think I had a bit of the pink left over, and it does show up in the wax when it's slightly pinker. I'm glad that I decided to do a little switcheroo with the purple and the pink tops and bottoms, because I feel like that could go as a set together. The other three colors could go as another set together. Given that this was the first time I made candles, I had no idea what to expect, but they turned out really, really cute. All right, so that was it. If you liked this video and you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe. My Instagram and Twitter are linked down below, but I also put them up on the screen. And if you have any ideas for what you want my next video to be, comment them down below. And I'll see y'all next time. You know.